Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download and install CrazyCraft. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step that you'll need to do is to download the Void Launcher. So CrazyCraft runs off of the Void Launcher, which is a modpack launcher that allows you to play CrazyCraft and other games. So luckily for you, we've got a link down below for you to download the voice launcher. So just check on the description box below and just click the link in there. And once you're on the page, you need to scroll to the bottom and click the download for Windows button. And if you're on a Mac or Linux platform, you'll need to click the cross platform download button. And then for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the Windows version of the software. And then for the step 2, just unzip the Void Launcher folder. So this is pretty simple. When you download the Void Launcher, it will come in a form of zip file. So you'll need to unzip it by double clicking on the file. And then you'll simply just drag the file from the zip folder to your desktop. And just like that, the file is unzipped and ready to be used to get CrazyCraft. And then the next step is to open and update the Void Launcher application. So now you've downloaded and unzip the Void Launcher, it is time to open it. So do this by double clicking on the file you moved to your desktop. So it will open the launcher up and you may have to do some updates. And if you do them, or if you do them, this will restart the launcher. And then after that, it is time to move on to the next step, which is to log in to the Void Launcher. So once you've downloaded, installed, and updated the Void Launcher, it is time to log in. So simply enter your information in the box outlined right here. Now, there's no way to actually log in to the launcher. You just enter your Minecraft username and password and leave it. And if you do not own a copy of Minecraft, you cannot play CrazyCraft and you must actually own a copy of Minecraft. And as far as I know, there's no way to play CrazyCraft 4.0 otherwise. And then next is to launch and install the CrazyCraft. So the time has come to actually launch CrazyCraft. So to do this, you'll want to click onto the mod pack, which is next to the home button on the top left hand side of the launcher. And from here, or it is the outlined in the red in the image if you cannot find it, or it is part right here. And then after that, from here, you'll want to scroll through these mod packs until you see CrazyCraft 4.0. And once you find it, mine was at the very bottom of the list. So you just need to click on it and hit play, which is located in the center of the launcher. And the next, just wait to download CrazyCraft 4.0. So this is the worst part of downloading and installing CrazyCraft. So it can take forever to download it. So just be patient. It won't take this long on every launch, or it will take long on every launch, just a first launch when all the mods, files, and etc. are downloading. And then now you can start a world, join a server, and do whatever, and just have fun. So there you go. So starting a world for single player and joining a server is the exact same as vanilla Minecraft. So with that being said, however, you now know how to download and install CrazyCraft 4.0. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.